Springfield, and 69 at Pontiac. At Macomb, it was partly sunny, with a temperature of 60. At Moline, it was cloudy, with a temperature of 46. And once... The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a tornado warning for eastern Tazewell County, west central McLean County, until 4 p.m. At 3:27 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Delavan, or 11 miles south of Pekin, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Tremont around 3:35 p.m. Mackinac around 3:45 p.m. This includes the following highways: Interstate 155 between mile markers 15 and 29. Interstate 74 between mile markers 103 and 109. At 3 p.m. in Peoria,